This is one of the rare examples where a real-life metaphor works. Queue is just a queue, nothing more. You can think of it like a line of people waiting to buy a book about the Python language. The first person in line is the first to get their book and leave the line. Most important thing here, to implement a queue, you don't need a fancy data structure, just a list. And you need two methods. Add an item to the end of the list and queue, and remove the item from the front of the list, the queue. So we can use the append method of the list, and pop method that remove the item at the given position in the list. So we need 0 here. Let's see now what we get. Let's add second item and print the queue. Now let's remove one item and see the result. A queue is a data structure that follows the first in, first out FIFO principle, meaning that the first element added to the queue will be the first one to be removed. All in one, it should be like this.